Welcome back to Herbs, where we share powerful spiritual remedies and natural teachings to help you live a balanced and fulfilled life. Today we're talking about a very common ingredient found in every kitchen, but with secrets that go far beyond cooking. Yes, I'm talking about the onion. Onion is not only a powerful food for the body, but also carries spiritual energy that has been used for centuries in cleansing, protection, and attracting positive vibrations. Stay with me as we explore 5 powerful spiritual benefits of onion and how you can use it in your daily life. Benefit 1. Protection from negative energy. Number 1. Protection. In many traditions, onion is believed to absorb negative energy and ward off evil intentions. Just like the strong smell drives away insects, the spiritual power of onion is said to drive away harmful vibrations. How to use it? Place a peeled onion in a bowl of water and keep it in your room or doorway overnight. In the morning, dispose of it outside your home. This simple act is believed to protect your space from negativity. Benefit 2. Spiritual cleansing. Number 2. Cleansing. Onion has a natural energy that can purify not only the body, but also the spirit. When you feel heavy, drained, or overwhelmed, a cleansing bath with onion can help. How to do it? Slice a red onion, add it into warm water, and use it to rinse your body from head to toe. As you pour the water, visualize negative energy washing away. This ritual is often used to remove spiritual blockages and refresh your aura. Benefit 3. Attracting love and harmony. Number 3. Love and harmony. Onions are also linked with opening the heart and attracting loving vibrations. Some people believe that the layers of the onion represent opening the heart layer by layer, removing hurt and inviting peace. How to use? Write your name and the name of a loved one on a small piece of paper, fold it, and place it inside half of an onion. Keep it in a safe place for 7 days, then bury it in the earth. This symbolizes growth, healing, and harmony in your relationship. Benefit 4. Boosting intuition and spiritual awareness. Number 4. Intuition. Onion's strong vibration is said to awaken the third eye, helping you to trust your inner voice. If you often feel confused or disconnected from your spiritual path, onion can help strengthen awareness. How to use? Simply burn dried onion peels in a fire-safe bowl while meditating. Inhale the aroma gently and focus on clarity. Many believe this helps open the mind to divine guidance. Benefit 5. Health and spiritual strength. Number 5. Health and strength. In spirituality, health is connected with energy. Onion is known to cleanse the blood and boost vitality, which in turn strengthens your spiritual power. A strong body supports a strong spirit. How to use? Eating raw onion, especially with meals, is believed to keep your energy grounded and your spirit strong against spiritual attacks. So family, those are 5 spiritual benefits of onion: protection, cleansing, love, intuition, and strength. The beauty of this remedy is that it's natural, simple, and already in your kitchen. Remember, the onion is more than food. It's a gift of nature with layers of spiritual wisdom. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who may need it, and don't forget to subscribe to your channel name for more spiritual remedies and herbal teachings. And tell me in the comments, which of these onion remedies will you try first? I'd love to hear your experience. Thank you for watching, and may your journey be full of light and positive energy. Stay blessed.